What is up, guys? You know, summer out here's it's a nice time to do stuff, but it's hard to find something to film. But you know what's fun? Fishing. Nice creek here, doing some fishing. Bunch of little brook trout, some rainbow, and you know, having a good time. Thought we'd make a video for you guys. All right.
Okay, I got a hook. All right, guys. I'm the worst trick fisherman in the world. And there has been a fish that has just been being a butt chump. And there's this kid named Wyatt. He's kind of in my way. He hasn't even got a bite yet, but whatever.
What's up, guys? Day number 2, fishing experience. Yesterday ended quick. Got charged by a moose. But here we are on day 2 on a lot bigger river, as you guys can see. We're hoping to catch really any kind of species. There's a lot in this river. It's not just trout. But hopefully we can get something, and we'll see when we got some action. Yep.
All right, guys, we got a fish. Oh, it's coming up. Oh, it's just a little squawfish. But
Just a little squawfish. First one of the day, though. It's been a bit.
Cool.
It's been a bit. A little one. We'll put it in a live well. Maybe use it for bait. It's just a squawfish, though, so it's illegal to do that.
Yep.
All right. Well, hopefully next time it's something bigger, but that's a good one. Alrighty.
Just pulled up another one, about 10 minutes later. But yeah, Jaren's over there fishing. I'll take a pic and put it in the video in a minute. All right, bye.
I wanted to come catch some tiny squaws, man. Here he is, coming right in.
There. Oh,
He's a tiny one. Kind of a pretty fish, though. Oh, he is peeing. But, yep, not a bad one.
oh, I think we should show my life well. Oh, did you get him in?
Yeah.
Squawfish for y'all. I don't
Uh-huh.
know, you may be getting tired of looking at these squawfish, but
That's all right, dude. We're having a good time
Oh.
catching up. Did you have a bite?
what is that? My pole went off. Anyway, see ya. What's up, guys? Well, I forgot to film an outro, but if you like these videos like this, we got 2 more coming next week. Thanks, guys. Peace.